Welcome to Freemaker Salvage and Repair.
We specialize in finding the hard to find and re-energizing the obsolete.
Why buy new when we can save you credits with quality revitalized galactic salvage?
Like this fine Corellian hyperdrive with only 12,000 parsecs on it. It's barely broken in.
Asteroid damage? Blaster scoring? We can buff that right out.
Freemaker Salvage and Repair is also a full-service hangar for speeders, shuttles, fighters, and light cruisers.
Conveniently located on the middle ring of the wheel in the Abrion system.
Freemakers!
The name says it all!
The Kyber Saber was the very first lightsaber, an impressive weapon.